are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Okay, so welcome in your English class. Today we will do chapter 5 copy work. आपको याद है what we have done in your previous class? Yes, in previous class we have done chapter 5 index, draw work and difficult words. Okay, so today we will do word meanings and question answers of this chapter. So take out your English notebook, keep your pencil and eraser with you. Okay, beta? Yes. Have you opened your notebook? So now write down the date. What is the date today? Today is 11th November 2020. And the day is Wednesday. Okay, students? And which subject class is this? This is your English class. Okay, students? This is your English class. And which chapter work we are doing? We are doing chapter 5. Chapter 5. What is the name of this chapter? The name of this chapter is Simmy's Rose Garden. Okay, and this is your classwork. So write down CA. Okay, बेटा? Have you written? आपने लिख लिया है? Now start writing word meaning. Word meaning. Okay, write down word meaning. And the first word is trample. Okay, first word is trample. T-R-A-M-P-L-E. Which word is this? This is trample. And what is the meaning of this word? Meaning of this word is to crush. To crush with the feet. Okay, beta? What is the meaning of trample? To crush with the feet. Now, second word. Second word is glee. आपको याद है मैंने आपको ग्ली का मीनिंग बताया था. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड? ग्ली का मीनिंग होता है जॉय. ओके, एंड डू योर वर्क नीटली. नंबर 3, T-H-I-C-K-E-T, thicket. Which word is this? This is thicket. What is the meaning of this word? The meaning of this word is a thick. thick मतलब होता है मोटा, घना, जिसे भी हम कहते हैं. A thick patch. A thick patch of bushes. Okay? A thick patch of bushes. What is the meaning of thicket? A thick patch of bushes. Now, last word. Fourth. Last word is chicks. C-H-I-C-K-S. What is the meaning of this word? You know. You everybody know. What is the meaning of this word? Chicks का meaning क्या होता है? Young birds. जो छोटे बेबीज होते हैं. किसके बेबीज थे? आपने किसके बेबीज के बारे में पढ़ा था इसमें? रॉबिन. ओके, रॉबिन के कितने बेबीज थे? There were 3 chicks in the nest. Okay, now one more time we will revise this. Okay, and आप मेरे साथ इसे revise करेंगे. First word था आपका trample. Which word is this? Trample. And the meaning of this word is to crush with the feet. Okay. Now second word is glee. What is the meaning of glee? Read this word. What is this word? This is joy. Okay. Now third is thicket. What is the meaning of this word? A thick patch of bushes. Now fourth and last word is chicks. What is the meaning of this word? Young birds. Okay everybody, have it done? Now come to the next page. We will do question answers of this chapter. Okay beta? Now come to the next. Now come to the next page. What we will do now? We will do question answers. Up, write the first question. Now write the first question. Our first question is, what kind of flower, ठीक है, what kind of flower was blooming in the garden? Okay, what kind of flower was blooming in the garden? गार्डन में कौन से फ्लावर ब्लूम कर रहे थे? याद है आपको? Yes. Now write the answer. Answer is, there were roses. कौन से फ्लावर थे? Roses. There were roses blooming in the garden. Okay students, कौन से फ्लावर ब्लूम कर रहे थे? There were roses blooming in the garden. Note down this question and answer. Now we will write question number 2. Okay, now write question number 2. Write down question number 2. Question number 2 is, what did Simi find behind a rose bush? ओके, सिमी को रोज बुश के पीछे क्या मिला था? याद है आपको? What did she find there? Write down the answer. Simi found a swing. Simi found a swing behind a rose bush. ठीक है, सिमी को एक स्विंग दिखाई दिया था रोज बुश के पीछे. ठीक है, नाउ राइट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. What color? What color were the roses that decorated the swing? आप बताइए कौन से कलर के रोज से जो स्विंग था वो डेकोरेट हो रखा था? कौन से कलर के रोजेस थे वो? यस, बताइए कौन से कलर के रोजेस थे वो? यस, राइट द आंसर. द roses that decorated the swing were red in color. Okay, the roses that decorated the swing were red in color. जो swing था वो red color के roses से decorate हो रखा था. Okay, now these are 3 questions. We will do one more question. Okay, last question. Okay, write down question number 4. How many chicks were there in the robin's nest? How many chicks were there in the robin's nest? रॉबिन के नेस्ट में कितने चिक्स थे? अभी मैंने आपको थोड़ी देर पहले भी बताया कितने चिक्स थे? Yes, 3. Write down the answer. There were 3 chicks in the robin's nest. Okay beta, now today we have completed this chapter. So in next class we will start the new chapter of grammar. So आपको अब homework क्या करना है? You have to complete this work in your notebook and you have to learn today's classwork. Okay beta, bye, and we will meet in the next class.